Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Figma Kit. First, open your Figma application and navigate to the Kit file. These kits are pre-built collections of design assets, like buttons and text styles, designed to streamline your workflow. They help maintain consistency across your projects, saving you valuable time. You will find everything neatly organized on various pages, ready for immediate use. Now, let's dive into using the core components. Open the Assets panel on the left and simply drag and drop any component, such as a button or an input field, onto your design canvas. Once placed, you can easily adjust its properties, like color or text, using the Design panel on the right. Remember to explore variants for different states, like a hover or active button, to ensure a complete user experience. Customizing and collaborating are key. You can override specific styles of a component instance directly on the canvas without affecting the main component. If you create a new element you want to reuse, simply turn it into a new component. For teamwork, share your Figma file with collaborators. They can view, comment, or edit, fostering a seamless design process with real-time updates. To maximize your efficiency, follow some best practices. Always use consistent naming conventions for your layers and components. This keeps your file organized and easy to navigate. Regularly update your kit to include new design elements or improvements. Also, embrace auto layout for creating responsive frames that adapt to content changes, saving you countless hours of manual adjustments. This ensures your designs are robust and scalable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.